strength in our hearts. We march through the halls. The echo of dreams bounces off these walls. The future is calling. It's loud, it's clear. We stand as one with no room for fear. From Torum's roots to horizons wide. Together we're stronger side by side. FATİH.